Hey everyone! So if your Tinfoil app keeps throwing random errors, downloads fail, or games just refuse to load, yeah, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes most Tinfoil errors in 2026. And honestly, it only takes a few minutes. Alright, quick explanation first. Most tinfoil problems happen because the shop cache gets outdated, the source stops syncing, or the network permissions kind of break after updates. So instead of reinstalling everything, we're just going to reset the connection properly. First, open Tinfoil and go to the Settings menu. You'll usually find it on the left sidebar. Yeah, just scroll down until you see it. Now, look for the cache or data options. What we want to do here is clear the cache files. This removes broken sync data, but keeps your setup safe. So don't worry. Next, and this is the trick most people skip, and go into your file browser or shop source list and refresh the source connection. Basically, we're forcing Tinfoil to reload the server data from scratch. After that, completely close Tinfoil. Don't just back out, fully exit the app, then launch it again. Yeah, this step actually matters because it rebuilds the database. If errors still appear, quickly check your internet connection inside system settings. A weak connection can stop shops from loading, even if everything else looks fine. Once Tinfoil reloads, head back to the new games or shop section. You should now see everything syncing normally again. List downloads working, lists updating, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's the simple trick that fixes most Tinfoil errors without reinstalling anything. If this helped you out, feel free to save the video so you've got it later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.